Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on how to do a hair wrap. So this is part of my series of VSCO Bracelets with Katie, and just thought I would let you know that I broke my wrist. I talked about that in my last video, but I didn't know that it was like fractured. And so yeah, I have a cast on it now. And I did this hair wrap with one hand basically, so props to me. I really hope you guys enjoy this because you seem to enjoy these types of videos. And yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so first things first, we are going to get our bag of string. If you've watched my other videos, this is kind of like in every single one about with the bracelets. This is my little sister Lily. She's going to be helping us out. Okay, so first I'll have Lily pick out her colors. So pick out your colors and then we'll get back to you after she's picked some out. Okay, she's picked out her colors. She picked this pink color, picked this blue color, this green, and this red. So she picked 4 colors. You can pick basically as many as you want, but 4 is like the average good choice. So we're gonna have Lily pick out where she wants the wrap to be. I would do like at the nape of the neck, I think is what it's called. And you want to get like a kind of small section. It depends on like how thick you want it to be, like how big you want the wrap to be. And then you're gonna braid it. So I'm gonna braid it and then we'll get back to you after. Okay, so this is the braid that we did. Her hair is like super long. Yeah. So we're gonna measure out about 3 times the length of her hair. So you bring it to the top of the braid.
And then you just measure it all the way down.
And then we're gonna fold that in half. And then we're gonna fold that in half. And then you're gonna cut it right there where it is. Okay, so we have 3 times the length of her hair. It's super long. Now you're gonna make every other string the same length as this. And after that, we'll get back to you. Okay, so we've got all of our strings cut to the length that we want. It's like super long.
Super long, just like my hair.
Now we get to start the actual hair wrap part. So turn around, please. Okay, so after we have this braid, we've cut all of the string. We're going to tie it in a knot right at the nape of the neck, or whatever it's called. And you can like tie it down towards the bottom. It doesn't have to start like at the top, and then you can just push it up.
And I would recommend getting something to entertain you.
When you want to take out the wrap, all you have to do is kind of like loosen it a little bit and then slide it out. So you're gonna do the knot at the top. Try not to get too much access so that you have as much for the actual wrap part. So we've got our knot done, slid to the top, and now we're gonna start on the actual knotting part.
Hi.
Okay, so you're going to pick out your first color. Which color do you want first?
Pink.
So we're gonna go pink first, and you're gonna determine how many knots you want. So,
or how long you
like how long you want it to be is gonna be how many knots you make. And so Lily wanted it like about this much, or it was more like this. This much is about like 30 knots. So we're gonna do 30 knots. You want all the knots to be the same so that it will like be the same even chunk, if that makes sense. You can also make like really small chunks, but we're just gonna do bigger ones. So this is how you do the knots. You're going to take the braid along with the other colors that you don't want to start with, or the other colors that you're not using, and you're going to make a 4. That looks like a really bad 4, and then flip the tail under. Take a little time, and then you pull it tight to the top, and that's your first knot. So then after you do those knots, it will just start creating a spiral of knots. If you just don't want to do the knots, you can just wrap it, like actually like twist it around the braid, which, you know, that's pretty cool too. And if you want to see another version of this video with that kind with different patterns, then I would be happy to do that. So we're gonna catch up with you after we've done 30 knots, and yeah. This is what 30 knots look like. So this is 30 of the pink, and then the way to start the next color, you want a blue next? So the way to start the next color is you just drop the color that you just had in with the other ones, and then just start knotting with this. So make like 4, pull it through, and that's one. Trying to push it up so that you can't see any of the hair underneath. So yeah, and then we'll get back to you after we've done a couple colors. These are the 4 colors that she chose: pink, blue, green, and red. And now you just continue the pattern that you want all the way down until
you reach the end of your
finished. Hair. And we'll get back to you once it's time to show you what to do to end it. We finished the hair wrap. So this is what it looks like. Once you get down to the point where you have the rubber band, I just took the rubber band out and then kept like knotting. And then here at the end, there is a lot of hair around it, but we have some excess hair, but that's okay because it's only like tiny. Here at the end, I just did 1 knot of every single color, and then I cut off the rest of the string. I think I'm gonna cut off the rest of this too, like just so that it's like a little long. But yeah, that's basically the whole thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want a different type of wrap, then I'll be happy to do that. There's like just the kind that you wrap it around, and there's lots of patterns that I know how to do, and so I'd love to show you guys how to do that. Comment down below and like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, so I have some exciting news. We hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for all the support and love. I literally love you guys so much. I can't believe we hit 1,000. That's crazy. 1,000 people, I can't even imagine. Like, thank you guys so much, and yeah.